Okay, class, welcome to Social Work 445, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Thomas Library of Congress online database. Thomas was launched in January of 1995 at the inception of the 104th Congress, and this is pretty much what the website looks like. You'll find a lot of links and information that you can click to, and this database allows the public to have information freely available to the public. I strongly suggest that once you arrive at the Thomas website, that you read the frequently asked questions page. That will answer a lot of your questions about how to use the website. It's very easy and very self-explanatory. Your assignment for this class, this semester, one of your assignments is to find a piece of legislation that's related to your policy by using Thomas as discussed on page 143 of your text. You're going to include that information in your learning journal, locate a piece of legislation in the state as also discussed on page 143 of the text. Then you're going to answer questions about two pieces of legislation. So it's pretty straightforward. You have a topic, you've all been assigned a topic, and so you're going to find the information you need. You will need your textbook so that you can understand what the questions are on that particular page. You'll post your response. We'll meet in the library on Thursday, and I'll bring my video camera, and you can record, or I'll make the camera available to you or make one of you responsible for the camera, and you can record what you need and get it posted. Your other options are you can post your information as a podcast using Podbean or YouTube or one of the other services that I've posted for you in Blackboard. There are the definitions of the different type of legislation. You definitely want to look at this page because that's going to clear a lot of the information and new words and terminology that you'll be reading. It'll clear that up for you. How are bills identified? This is also information that's going to be important to you, and it is on the Thomas website. I suggest you click on that particular link and read it. Also look at the different types of the definitions for the different types of legislation. And everything you need will be on the Thomas website. You just have to spend a little bit of time looking for it. Now, I went on the internet and Googled because I had heard that there was a bill that was being presented to prohibit corporal punishment in all states and schools. So I tried going to the Thomas website first, and perhaps I wasn't putting in the correct words, and this might happen to you, maybe not. But I found the bill number. So once I was able to have the specific bill number, I entered that on the Thomas web page to find the bill for me, and it actually brought back 4 different search results. And as you can see, the one that I wanted obviously was the Ending Corporal Punishment in Schools Act, not any of the others that were search results that were returned. Then I've clicked on it, and it gives me all the information that I need about that particular bill that's being presented. It gives you the short title, findings, and there's a whole bunch of information on there to read. You can use mine as an example, the example that I've shown here, to kind of get a feel for it, but ultimately you have to look up your own bill topic. So once again, let me repeat, what the assignment is. I believe you have this as instructions in Blackboard, so you should be fine. You're going to post your response electronically, and when you're posting your response, make sure that you're not reading directly off of your paper. Some of this information, if you just put it on 3x5 index cards, you should be able to, just know it almost off the top of your head. And once again, thank you for learning.